Hi there, it's Jen and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm all about helping small business owners like you streamline your marketing, automate your systems, and build strategies that actually work. In today's video, we're diving into the world of paid social media advertising. If you've been curious about running ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn, but aren't sure of where to start, this video is for you. We'll go over the basics and share best practices to help you create effective ads that drive results. So let's break it down. Why should you invest in paid advertising and how can you make sure that your ads actually work for you? First things first, why should you consider paid social media advertising? While organic reach on social platforms is getting tougher, paid ads can help you cut through the noise and target your audience more effectively. The beauty of the paid ads is that you can reach specific demographics based on interest, behaviors, and even job titles, something that's really hard to achieve through organic posts alone. Think of it like this. Paid ads give you the opportunity to be in front of the right people at the right time, driving more traffic to your website, increasing sales, or even just boosting your brand's awareness. When done right, paid ads are an incredibly cost-effective tool to reach your business goals. Now, before you start creating ads, you need to establish your clear goals. What are you hoping to achieve? Is it website traffic, more engagement, or more sales? The clearer your goal, the easier it will be to set up your ads and measure your success. Once you've got your goal, decide on your budget. Paid advertising can feel like overwhelm when it comes to cost, but the key is setting a budget that feels comfortable in your business and starting small. Most platforms like Facebook and Instagram let you set daily or lifetime budgets so you can scale up and see what works. My tip would be to start small and test. Don't throw all your money into one ad. Experiment with different variations to see what resonates with your audience. Next up, unsurprisingly for me, is knowing your audience. I think I've said this in literally every single video I've done, but it really is key when you come to paid ads because you don't want to waste your money. One of the best parts of paid social media advertising is the ability to narrow down your audience to a very specific group. But before you can do that, you need to understand who your ideal customer is. You need to know what their pain points are, what problems are they trying to achieve, and what do they care about. Once you've got a really good understanding of your audience, you can use that information to target the right people. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn let you target users based on age, location, interests, behaviors, and much more. This is where you can get really granular with your targeting to make sure your ad money is being spent wisely. Now to actually creating the ads. When it comes to paid social media ads, there are a number of things you need to keep in mind. Attention-grabbing visuals. Your ad needs to stand out in a crowded field. Use high-quality images or videos that capture attention and align with your brand. Videos often perform well, but make sure they're short, snappy, and to the point. Make sure your copy is clear and concise. Don't overcomplicate your message. Get to the point quickly. Highlight the benefits of your product or service and include a strong call to action like shop now, learn more, sign up. Remember, in this case, less is definitely more. And try different formats. Facebook and Instagram and all the other platforms offer various different ad formats. Carousel ads, stories, single image ads. Test different formats to see which one resonates best with your audience. Most of the platforms also offer A/B testing. Now, this is where you can put two different versions of the same ad out to see which one performs better. I'd always recommend changing one thing at once so that you can measure it consistently. You can try things like headlines, images and videos, calls to action, and target audiences. By testing these elements, you'll get valuable insights into what works and what doesn't, helping you optimize your campaigns for better performance. Don't forget to keep monitoring your data throughout the campaign. This will tell you what's working or if you need to tweak your approach. Now you've got your ads running, the real work begins, optimizing. To get the most out of your ad spend, you need to monitor the results and make adjustments as needed. Here are a few key metrics to keep an eye on. The click-through rate. How many people clicked on your ad compared to how many saw it? A high click-through rate means that your ad is resonating with your audience. The cost per click. How much are you paying for each click? A lower cost per click means that you're getting a good deal for the clicks that you're receiving. And the conversion rate. How many people are doing that desired action? Are they purchasing or signing up? If not, you need to tweak your ad copy on your landing page. If something's not working, adjusting your targets, visuals, or copy until you receive the results that you want. And here are a couple of best practices to ensure that your ads are effective as possible. Remember to stay consistent with your brand. Your ads should feel cohesive as other marketing materials and stay true to your brand's tone and style. A lot of people will see an ad on Facebook or Instagram and go and look you up on the website or on your own organic social media channels. You need to make sure that it sounds like you across all the platforms so that people aren't shocked when they come to a different platform that you're using. Try not to be too salesy. Focus on value and the relevance instead of pushing for a sale. People respond when they feel like they're getting something of value. Remember to monitor frequently, but not obsessively. Check your ads regularly to see how they're performing, but don't make the changes too quickly. Ads need time to gather data and show results. In conclusion, paid social media ads can be a real game changer for your business if it's done right. By setting clear goals, understanding your audience, and testing your ads, you can create campaigns that deliver real results. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions or tips you've learned from your own paid advertising experience. I'd love to hear how you're using ads in your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.